knocking niggas down as if they were Haitian. Scalping me more devils than a lunatic Mohican. Stalking, watch me a weaponry master. Walking over dead bodies laying in the past. Niggas knocking niggas down as if they were Haitian. Scalping me more devils than a lunatic Mohican. Stalking, watch me a weaponry master. Walking over dead bodies laying in the past.
My money always got police from all the drugs, got in my palm. Slide them down my throat and swallow without water till my dawn. I told y'all all these dark rooms in an empty house ain't nothing fun. Drugs ain't for turning up, I take them now, I'm turning up. All these hoes tryna make me come, but I'm too fucked up, she left, so now I'm rolling blood out of the book of song. Fucking rap gang is gone, bodies pile up on the lawn. Checkmate and all these fucking pawns. The devil got my picture drawn, the devil got my picture drawn.
Bullets knocking niggas down as if they were Haitian. Scalping me more devils than a lunatic Mohican. Stalking, watch me a weaponry master. Walking over dead bodies laying in the past.
Weaponry master, scarecrow in the pasture. Burn the church and flip the cross and blast the fucking pastor. Bitch, I be the best. These other rappers scared death. Jump a motherfucker, I ain't tryna have no fat one. Lurking at the bottom, cause my problems keep on adding up. Got a couple stalkers out because the scarecrow fucked them once. Creeping with Ruby, he turning to Uzi, cause motherfuckers keep on trying to get bucked. One shot to the head, told Uzi he dead. Leaving the right, never covered him up.
Bullets knocking niggas down as if they were Haitian. Scalping me more devils than a lunatic Mohican. Stalking, watch me a weaponry master. Walking over dead bodies laying in the past.
Little bitch, don't trip, I'm the shit. Flip the zip, make me chip really quick. Fast money, yeah, I love it. Eddie Baker stay thuggin'. Smoking out in public. Dope boys in my circle, we all got drugs, man. Blue dolphins make the girls give me hugs, man. Don't worry about where I'm at, bitch, I'm not your husband. A then my blunt, and that drink got me buzzing. That pussy nigga think that he want problems, but he doesn't.
Prescription drugs misusing none, these dusty hoes abusing them. I'm popping perks and sipping lean, graffiti demons, it's not me. 30 shotty Glocks gon' pop, you say you ballin', where you not? Made a fortune, whipping pots, re-up on Carroll City, cuz count it, run it, fuck it, a media thuggin', the thumper gon' knock you off. Lick on my dick, then I go and I dump her. I love the big, never discover to buckle up. How y'all saying y'all the shit, your numbers ain't looking too lit. Fuck you up, gon' stop you out at $10,000 outfits.